If you need to save time while building a presentation, duplicating a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint is one of the easiest tricks to know. It's perfect when you want to reuse the same layout, keep formatting consistent, or create a quick variation of an existing slide without starting from scratch. In this video, I'll show you two simple ways to duplicate a slide in PowerPoint, and both methods are fast and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and look at the slide thumbnails on the left side of the screen. This is where all of your slides are listed, and it's the easiest place to manage them. To duplicate a slide using the fastest method, click once on the slide you want to copy, so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted in the left panel. Now, with that slide selected, press Ctrl D on your keyboard. That's the duplicate shortcut in PowerPoint, and it instantly creates an exact copy of the slide. The new duplicated slide will appear right below the original, keeping all of the text, images, design elements, animations, and formatting intact. This is especially useful when you want to make a second version of a slide and only change a few details. Let's say you're creating a business presentation and you want to duplicate a title slide, a chart slide, or a branded section divider. Instead of rebuilding everything manually, just use Ctrl D and then edit the duplicated slide. It saves time and helps keep your presentation looking professional and consistent throughout. If you prefer using your mouse, there's also an easy right-click method. Again, go to the slide thumbnails on the left and right-click the slide you want to duplicate. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Duplicate Slide. PowerPoint will immediately create a copy of that slide and place it right next to the original in the slide list. This right-click method is great if you don't want to use keyboard shortcuts or if you're still learning PowerPoint. It's also useful when you want to take your time and choose the duplicate option visually. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels faster and more comfortable for you. One helpful tip is to duplicate a slide before making major edits. That way, if you want to compare two versions, test a new layout, or keep a backup of the original design, you already have a copy ready to go. This is a simple habit that can save a lot of time during presentation design. So to recap, the quickest way to duplicate a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint is to select the slide and press Ctrl D. If you want to use the menu instead, just right-click the slide and choose Duplicate Slide. Both methods are easy, fast, and incredibly useful for everyday PowerPoint work. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want to learn more shortcuts and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.